Two, guess who's pulled up? It's the Super Karens. We've been talking about this all night long. Cursing with each other and smoking with each other. Oh boy! Damn, two, you stink up the whole place. But it's pretty dang impressive. Thanks, brother. Hello. Who does that move around now? It smells like absolute dew. Jesse, was it you? Nope, it was not me. It wasn't me, you guys. Matsumiota, can you please tell me who shot their pants? Doubles, I was just playing. It was me. You farted too? Okay, twin. Bloody hell, that's rank. Sure, I told you he miser. What? But how? This will teach you not to toot in front of a lady. What lady? Duh. Okay, fine. You take it back. Is everything alright here? OMG, she's so adorable. Okay, sent. Oh, how adorable. We just love your kitty. Two, someone's trying to steal your girl. I got this. Hey, Romy, you're not stealing my girlfriend. I'm what? I ain't stealing. I'll give her back to you in a minute. Good. Just a minute. Because I could do it for you, Romy. Oh, I could do it for you. Yeah, of course.